I buy Dogecoin or not? Bro, Dogecoin has gone up by 400% this week.
Don't think about it so much.
Are you sure, bro? Its market cap is more than fold.
Relax.
Bro, Anish is also buying it. He's planning to buy it. Hello? Hey, what's up, Surya? What? You also bought Dogecoin? Bro, are you serious? Everyone's buying it nowadays. Bro, everyone's buying Dogecoin. They're buying some cryptocurrency. Don't you think we should also invest? I know we're late for the party, but it's better late than never.
Don't worry about it so much.
Bro, Siddharth from college, he started mining in cryptocurrency and all. I'm just saying we'll invest little. He's mining. I can't even imagine how much money he would have made.
Don't think about it so much. Just because people are investing in cryptocurrency doesn't mean that even you should go and invest.
Bro, Elon Musk is also investing.
So
He's
you're
even accepting payment.
So you're investing based on a fear of missing out, not because you understand cryptocurrencies. So only if you truly understand cryptocurrencies, then definitely
But
go
I
in.
saw on Reddit and all, memes and all, they're saying it's good if you invest.
Don't follow those much, to be honest, because when things are going up, everybody will favor it. When things starts to come down, no one would want it. So I will give you an example. Long ago, during 1600s, there's a very famous phenomenon called as the tulip mania. And many people consider it to be the first financial bubble ever. So if I were to ask you, how much will you pay for a bud of tulip? So will you say $1 or will you say $10? Or will you say $100? $100 by itself sounds pretty high, right? Like who would pay around 7,000 rupees in today's date to buy a bud of tulip? It sounds ridiculous. But during 1600s, they paid $1 million to buy a bud of tulip. So people could buy a house using bud of tulip. So the tulip bud had become so valuable, so much in demand, that it was more valuable than a house in 1637 in Netherlands. So this is famously called as tulip mania. So this is not the only bubble which we have had. So there is a famous dot-com bubble during 1990s and 2000 when the dot-com stocks or the tech stocks rallied insanely. Any company having .com to its name rallied almost 89% on an average within next few weeks. Most of the people take part in such things mainly because of FOMO or fear of missing out. People around them would be making lot of profits by investing in these companies or assets, and they also want to be a part of it. So they tend to usually invest without actually understanding what exactly it is. Even the biggest of the big experts have gotten many of these wrong, and they have also lost huge sums of money. Any asset surging close to 10x in almost 3 months or surging almost close to 100x within 2 years is not a healthy thing unless it is really justified. So we should always try to understand whether something or the asset which we are purchasing actually justifies the value. Only if we believe and we truly understand that the asset actually is worth so much, then it is definitely worthwhile investing.
Are you saying it is bad to invest in cryptocurrency?
Not like that. All I'm trying to say is before investing in anything, not just cryptocurrency, whether you invest in a stock or gold or cryptocurrency, understand what it is. So understand the fundamentals of crypto, how it works, and then you can come to a judgment whether it has a good future. Just because people around you are investing in cryptocurrencies, you don't have to invest in cryptocurrency. It is always good that before investing in anything, you do your research and you understand what exactly you are investing in.
Okay. So if I have any doubts, can I get back to you, bro? Like at any point if I'm confused about all these things?
Definitely, you can anytime do that. There's no.
So guys, if you also have any questions regarding any investments, including crypto, equity, gold, you can put that in the comment section and we'd love to help you out.